Gia Binh International Airport, Vietnam's new and ambitious airport project. A large-scale project is currently attracting the attention of management agencies, investors, and people across Vietnam as part of the country's aviation infrastructure development plan until 2030. With a vision to 2050. This is Gia Binh International Airport in Bac Ninh Province, which is set to become the second international gateway of the north. Operating alongside Noi Bai, and can be considered the second airport for the Hanoi capital region. Envisioned as a modern airport with a target of achieving a Skytrax 5-star service rating. And linked to a vision of sustainable development. Many people expect Gia Binh to become a new infrastructure symbol for Vietnam while also opening up new opportunities for Bac Ninh, the Red River Delta region, and the entire country. Part 1. Overview. Gia Binh International Airport is planned for Gia Binh District, Bac Ninh Province, about 40 kilometers from the center of Hanoi. It is expected to be not only a transport infrastructure project but also a strategic link in the socioeconomic and national defense development of the Red River Delta. The project is designed to be a dual-use international airport, serving passengers, cargo, and general aviation, combining national defense duties, serving as the base airport for the People's Public Security Air Force Regiment. Additionally, Gia Binh is expected to be the nucleus of a modern airport city, integrating an aviation logistics center, commercial services, MRO, aircraft maintenance, repair and overhaul, hotels, finance, and large-scale entertainment complexes. Part 2. Features, planning and investment progress. 2.1. Scale and strategic objectives. Airport class, ICAO 4E, with readiness for upgrade to 4F. Total area, 1.960 hectares. Total investment capital, approximately 195.124 trillion Vietnamese dongs, making it one of Vietnam's largest infrastructure projects. Capital structure, 15% from the investor's equity and 85% from credit loans, with Techcombank as the lead bank arranging the capital. Investment model, public-private partnership, PP. The project's goal is to build a green, modern international aviation hub, aiming to achieve a Skytrax 5-star service rating by 2032 and become the largest aviation logistics center in the north. 2.2. Phased plan. Phase 1, 2025 to 2030, complete the main components to serve APEC 2027. Reach a capacity of 30 million passengers per year and 1.6 million tons of cargo per year. The passenger terminal area in Phase 1 is 331.00 square meters. Phase 2, 2031 to 2050, expand capacity to 50 million passengers per year and 2.5 million tons of cargo per year. The passenger terminal area in Phase 2 is 446.00 square meters. 2.3. Key technical components. Phase 1. 2 runways, number 1 and 2, each 3.50 meters long and 45 meters wide. A modern, environmentally friendly passenger terminal with an iconic design. A cargo terminal with a capacity of 1.6 million tons per year. An aircraft parking apron with over 100 positions, including passenger, VIP, private jet, and MRO areas. Air traffic control system, ILS, DME Cat 2. With readiness for upgrade to Cat 3 in Phase 2. Phase 2. Construction of 2 additional runways. Number 3 and 4. Expansion of the passenger terminal to a capacity of 50 million passengers per year. Upgrading the MRO center and the regional scale aviation logistics system. 2.4. Goal of achieving Skytrax 5-star rating. Gia Binh sets an ambitious goal, Skytrax 4-star by 2029 and Skytrax 5-star by 2032. To achieve this, the project focuses on comprehensive transformation, utilizing automation technology for check-in, e-gates, and smart passenger management. Carbon neutrality, aiming for international certifications like ISO 14001 and Archie Airport Carbon Accreditation. Premium service standards, providing luxury lounges, high-speed Wi-Fi, and an international class experience. 2.5. Multimodal transport connectivity. To maximize efficiency, the airport's multimodal connectivity system is planned to include road, a 27.7 km route with a 120 meters cross-section directly connecting Gia Binh and Hanoi, and a 2.6 km route connecting to Hai Phong. Rail, a high-speed railway line connecting Bac Ninh, Hanoi, Hai Phong, and a specialized railway for cargo logistics. Part 3. Benefits and challenges. 3.1. Key benefits. Relieving Noi Bai, Gia Binh will act as a twin airport, sharing passenger and cargo traffic to optimize airspace operations. Serving APEC 2027, Phase 1 will complete key components to be ready to welcome heads of state and international delegations. Boosting economy and tourism, opening up growth opportunities for commerce, services, logistics, and attracting FDI. 3.2. Key challenges. Accelerated timeline. The pressure to complete Phase 1 before APEC 2027 requires close coordination among many parties. Site clearance. The nearly 2.00 hectare area requires large-scale resettlement efforts. Limited airspace. A scientific analysis solution is needed to appropriately divide the airspace between Gia Binh, Noi Bai, Cat Bai, and military zones. Connectivity infrastructure. Delays in the road and rail routes would directly affect the airport's operational efficiency. Part 4. Socioeconomic impact. For Bac Ninh, transforming Bac Ninh from an industrial center into a modern airport city. Attracting FDI into high-tech, commercial, and aviation service sectors, creating tens of thousands of direct and indirect jobs. For the Red River Delta, Gia Binh and Noi Bai will form a pair of international gateways, strengthening the connection of the Hanoi, Hai Phong, Quang Ninh economic triangle and establishing a leading aviation logistics hub in the region. For Vietnam, enhancing national aviation transport capacity, affirming Vietnam's position on the international aviation map, and contributing to the sustainability and depth of the national economy. Part 5. Conclusion and future vision. With its modern scale, superior capacity, 5-star service orientation, and goal of serving APEC 2027, Gia Binh International Airport, if implemented as planned, will rightfully be a national strategic project, helping to shape the future of aviation infrastructure in the north. In the future, Gia Binh will not only relieve the burden on Noi Bai but also become an international aviation logistics hub, fostering urban and economic development and affirming Vietnam's position in the region and globally. In conclusion, Gia Binh International Airport is being built with a unique, bold, decisive, and rapid development that is unprecedented in the history of Vietnamese airport development. From its initial idea and design as a specialized airport, Gia Binh has been adjusted to become an international airport with a capacity equivalent to Noi Bai International Airport. This project will serve as the second international gateway for the northern region. With its large capacity and modern infrastructure, Gia Binh will help relieve pressure on Noi Bai Airport and enhance the region's air transport capacity. The airport will not only be a center for passenger and cargo transport but also the nucleus of a dynamic economic ecosystem, promoting tourism, attracting investment, and forming a world-class aviation logistics hub while maintaining its strategic role in national defense and security.